Known as Machine Gun for his rapid-fire playing style, Lou Butera was a pool legend who left an indelible mark on the sport. Born in 1937 in Pittston, Pennsylvania, Butera dazzled the pool world in 1973 by running 150 balls in just 19 minutes at the World Championship. His incredible speed and precision earned him the prestigious Billiard Congress of America World Championship the same year. Beyond his competitive success, Butera was a beloved ambassador for the game, authoring instructional materials and promoting pool through exhibitions and charity events. Inducted into the BCA Hall of Fame in 1986, Butera's legacy endures, inspiring new generations of players.